everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm just in the process of changing the oil and the oil filter here in the Nissan Pathfinder. I've already drained the oil. There you go, you can see it's all pretty black there. It's done about 14,000 kilometers because I went overseas. That missed the service, but I've got a filter as well, so I'm going to replace that. And yeah, so I've got heaps of oil there, 6 litres worth of oil, but it won't need 6, it'll probably need about 4 or 5, and a bit of coolant there. So we'll keep working on that, and yeah, hopefully she'll run a lot better with fresh oil. Welcome back. I'm underneath the car. I've just taken the oil filter out. That round thing up there in the middle is basically where the old oil filter gets bolted on. It screws in, and this is what the oil filter looks like. This is the new one. I've coated it with a bit of oil on the ring up there, the rubber ring. So I'm about to screw that back up there. But Steve is being a nuisance. As you can see, he's just barking everywhere. But yeah, it's a bit hard to hold the camera at the same time, but there you go, there's the old oil filter there. It looks like a bit of paper there. That's just where I was wiping it down, but yeah, that's all going to go in the trash. We're back. I've screwed in the new oil filter. Bit of oil on the rubber O-ring. I didn't actually pre-fill the filter with oil because it's just hard to get it in there. It's a tight spot, and if I fill the oil filter up, I know I'm just going to spill oil everywhere because it has to go in on an angle, because there's just, as you can see, there's things everywhere, hoses, pipes.
I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break. I need something else.
Okay guys, we're back. I just took the car for a bit of a drive. I filled it up with petrol and or gasoline if you're in America. Here we have the petrol injector cleaner. I'm just about to put that into my fuel tank. I should have parked the car further down the driveway because I haven't got much room, but I've taken the top off and we'll just pour the whole bottle into the tank. There you go.